inyo. So ready na? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, for our couples game, I now present to you team number 1. Amazing boys who have beautiful voice. So anything that gives you problems, you know.